Yes. 400 visiting foreign judges? Yes. Court officials and attorneys from 52 different countries and jurisdictions? Yes. See, I think the United States has a problem when I did read that on your website that you invite visiting foreign judges to the United States to show them how good a job you're doing. But my thought is that for every judge in the United States that has any knowledge of this, yes, 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 it's going to be considerably worse for you as soon as I can prove that any of these forgeries was actually a forgery of somebody that looked like my wife. Ooch. Because it's not just being an imposter. Yes, they took on the role of being the mother of my five sons. Pooh. Now, when you think about 7.5 years of any woman that looks like my wife acting as the mother of my five sons, yes, I am going to make absolutely sure that you, as judges of the United States of America, are getting sued for forgeries from persons, yes, that instead of not looking like the person, they do look like the person. Now, I don't know what the actual law is. I'll probably figure it out today or maybe tomorrow. Yes. But it's worse than an imposter if somebody acted as if they were the mother of my sons and they're not. Yes. Or they appeared in court as my wife and they weren't. Yes. And they signed court documents as if they were my wife, but they looked like my wife. Yeah. Now, this idea, right, of using lookalikes and twins, yes, whether they be somebody that was employed that Homeland Security recruited because of a special need, yeah, some other citizen that happened to look like her, yes, or they're a dog look-alike that Heidi had from the time of her birth because she was supposed to be named Georgia. She told me before we were married. I thought maybe her mother June, yes. She might have had Georgia, yes, and then Heidi was born. Oh. But I want to make sure that you understand, yes, that for every instance, and I mean any second, yes, that any woman had any influence on my five sons' life, yes, I'm going to do the fucking shit right now. Now, these 18 programs for the 17,265 legal staff, yeah. Using a forgery from a person that doesn't look like the individual, it's bad. I mean, it's real bad. The Law Clerk Handbook and the Importance of the Ethics of Law Clerks. Yes. Why don't you give me all the law clerks of each and every judge of the United States? The paralegals of all those attorney firms that are attorney oaths and oaths of admission. Why don't you get me the actual individuals from foreign nations that have visited the Federal Judicial Center? Yes, that is supported by Congress. Now, these complex civil litigations or criminal litigations or federal and state court cooperations, I had told. You are not just getting sued for a fucking forgery.